The beginnings of this pipe organ workshop go back to the year 1990, when we started to restore old and build new pipe organs in Brestovec pri Rogaški Slatini. Today, this modern pipe organ workshop employs over 50 workers, specialized in different fields, who can master anything from the most demanding technologies of computer planning and operation of the modern machines to masters of enviable hand skills, who turn ordinary wood into wonderful carved accessories. Our workshop produces large and smaller pipe organs with equal care and precision, and we also restore old instruments. We strive for quality of the pipe organs manufactured in our workshop and for a nice, clear sound of the organ. A lot of attention is paid to the production of pipes themselves and their correct intonation. Our pipe organ workshop has manufactured and restored over 200 larger and smaller pipe organs. The majority of our pipe organs sing in Slovenia, but they can also be heard in Croatia, Austria, Germany, Italy, Great Britain, Belgium, Luxembourg, France, Portugal, the Netherlands, Poland, the Czech Republic, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Nigeria, United States of America, and even in Russia and South Korea. The quality of our work is certified by numerous domestic and foreign awards. Since the pipe organ is most often placed in a space which already possesses its own cultural historical identity, it is necessary to consider a series of aspects, from cultural historical to acoustic characteristics of the room. With the help of the client, we first determine the size of the pipe organ and its musical character, select the appropriate disposition, for example the number and the character of the registers and their arrangement. With the help of various experts, architects, musicians, representatives from cultural heritage preservation societies, etc. We then determine the outward form of the framework, the organ closet and the so-called front display. Designing the pipe organ continues in our office with the aid of the most modern computer tools. Designs, which can amount to over several hundred square meters, are produced for each pipe organ separately, depending on its size. The pipe organs comprise of several thousand parts made from different materials, mainly wood and metal. One of the most important parts is of course the organ pipe, which can be made either from metal or wood. The metal pipes are made from special sheet metal, a tin and lead alloy, which is cast in our own foundry, which is the most modern foundry in Europe, according to a special procedure. Different metal registries require the use of a different tin and lead ration in the alloy. This is also one of the factors influencing the nature of the sound the pipe will have later on. The sheet metal is then properly treated, turned and prepared for the production of the metal pipe. Special templates are used to curve individual parts of the pipe, and then each pipe is individually assembled with the help of hot soldering method. The metal pipes can be flue pipes or reed pipes. The finished pipes are soaked in a special bath. The pipes which can be seen in the front display are also additionally polished. The prepared pipes are then tuned. Each pipe passes our diligent hands at least 50 times before they are ready to be built into the interior of the organ. Wooden pipes are manufactured from different types of wood. Most frequently used types are spruce, pine, maple, cherry, pear, etc. The largest pipes are in the pedal register, and with the conventional smaller organs, they can measure over 2.5 meters, whereas in large organs, their length can be over 5 or 10 meters. Each part of the pipe is firstly carefully handled on special machines and later assembled. The pipes are glued and protected from wood parasites on the inside and outside. The finished pipes are positioned on the wind chest. In fact, the wind chest is the most important part of the organ, even though it is not seen from the outside. With the help of different wind channels and valves which are linked to the keys console, manual keys, the pedals and manumbrium register, the wind chest supplies individual pipes with compressed air coming through special air vents from the bellows. The wind chests in our organs are slider chests. The wind chest frame is made from quality water-resistant plywood and is coated with massive oak wood. The sliders are made from Pertinax plates or oak wood. The pipe and wind chest sockles are made from pine wood and are joined by multiple gluing, which prevents any kind of twisting of the pipe sockles. The valves are made from selected thickly grown spruce wood, and they are lined with quality leather and felt. The slider valve wires are made from zinc-plated and eloxicated brass. The console can be freestanding or built into the pipe framework. One console from large organ can have several manual keyboards. The manual and pedal keys are lined with special wood. Usually it is ebony and grenadille, or with suitable bone and mineral lining. The semitone keys are lined with different types of wood. The pedal keyboard is made from oak wood, with special accurate guides for the pedal keys. The manual and pedal links are based on a lever system and allow playing registers of other manuals on one manual or pedal. Even when the stop action is wholly mechanical, it is possible to perform combinations such as pleno or even free combinations. We are also adding computer support, which will help the organ player to select the manual more easily, and up to 4,000 and more combinations. The glides on mechanical pipe organs are made from aluminum profile with built-in small levers made from massive wood. Slider lats are from thickly grown spruce wood and are furnished with self-sliding mechanical lining. The registry mechanics is made of furniture steel and is lined with bearings. Individual elements are linked by slider lats made of spruce wood. Mechanical axes are made from quality stainless steel. The register slider rods are made of massive wood of different types, according to the client's wishes. The console framework with the music desk and the console bench, which is adjustable in height, are made of quality massive wood, which is adapted to the room where the pipe organ will be set up, together with the whole pipe organ framework. The diameters of individual pipes are adapted to the acoustics of the room where the organ is going to be placed. The sound dimensions are determined for each register separately. All of the pipes are under the same air pressure as determined for individual manuals. They are pre-intoned in the workshop with a special testing, intoning and tuning instrument. The pipes are also finely tuned in the room where the organ will be placed. Although different tunings are possible, the pipes are usually tuned to the normal A tone at the temperature of 15 to 18 degrees Celsius, and they are tempered to the same wavelength. Before the new pipe organ can be fitted, it is set up and tested in our workshop, after which it is dismantled and transported to the site where it is going to be placed. We are inviting you to take the time to visit us personally in our workshop, where you will be able to see the quality of our work with your own eyes.